Am I audible to everyone clearly? Am I audible to everyone clearly? Fine. Thank you everyone for joining the today's class. So definitely this Salesforce will transition your career. So everyone had trusted me and joined. So today let me try to explain in depth about what is Salesforce, what is the current position in the market regarding the Salesforce, and what are the things I'm going to be teach. How this particular training will transition your career into the Salesforce. Everything I'm going to be explain in depth. Okay, let me try to share my screen. So I'm saying again to everyone, either it's a right or wrong. When I'm asking some questions, kindly please unmute your mic. Just definitely you can answer it. No worries. Either it's right or wrong. Yeah, no matters. Like we have on-premise applications. On-premise applications. What are the on-premise applications? Anyone know? Okay, these are Java, Python, C++, .NET, etc. Okay, like you need to install the software. For example, if you want to develop any project on these technologies, you need to install the software and you need to work on it. It's not a cloud based. For example, if you take a on demand application, okay, for example, if you take on demand applications are nothing but a Salesforce, okay, AWS, GCP, etc. Okay, these are the cloud-based applications. You don't need to install any software to develop any type of project or anything. You don't need to install any softwares or whatever it may be. It's nothing but on-demand application. Okay. So today, so our first class. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is nothing but a cloud technology. Okay, it is one type of CRM. Anyone know the full form of CRM?
Customer relationship manager.
Hello.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so it's a customer relationship management. So here we can keep both customers and clients together on the single umbrella. Okay, means so Salesforce has been started in 1999. Okay, with 3 employees. Just I'm going with initial 3 employees. Now it has been expanded to 73,000 plus employees in 2024 decade. And apart this, like there are multiple partners for the Salesforce. Okay, just 11,000 plus partners. Okay, are there for the Salesforce are available in the Salesforce. Not only MNC company, okay, or a product based company or startup company, every company. Now you can see that there are lot of vacancies, not only in India, USA, UK, Canada and Dubai. There are multiple vacancies, not only to the specific country, because our students, okay, like whole globe, like from Australia, Canada, UK, USA, and some are from Netherlands, like this. There are from different countries, not only from the specific zone from India. It like entire they are used to be start this course, and they definitely they can transition their career if you had been practiced and you can follow my things whatever it may be regularly. every company every company nowadays, from MNC to product based companies and mid based companies, so many companies are using, and MNC companies, so many companies are using the Salesforce. You can see the lot of vacancies nowadays. The job market presently, lot of vacancies in the Salesforce. Yeah, lot of vacancies, and you can see. Okay, like here everyone know just some information. Okay, like we know Java, Python, or something. Why we are using Salesforce? We have other technology also. Then why we are using Salesforce? Why we are using Salesforce? Any idea why we are using Salesforce? Why the clients are preferring to use Salesforce? Any idea to anyone?
Salesforce is a software as service.
Okay, fine. Salesforce is a software as a service. Okay, fine. Anyone? Just what are the advantages? Even we have other technologies, but each and every client is mostly preferring Salesforce, and that's why there are a lot of vacancies and there are a lot of positions are being creating. Not only now, in future also it will be. Yeah. Why? Just normally either it's right or wrong. Okay. So you can just you can unmute your mic and you can speak it. No worries. Anyone? Anything?
Advantages with Salesforce is like every year upgrade is not needed
Oh,
like other softwares.
exactly.
You can access Salesforce from anywhere. Like it can be either your cell phone, your tablet, any device that can be
Yeah.
connected with the computer. Like
Yeah.
sorry for with the internet.
Yes, exactly. It's correct. It's correct. No need of any software installations. Just if you have a Google Chrome and internet connection, it's absolutely fine. Yeah. Anything? Nilima, Bhavita, anyone? Manasa, Karan.
No
If you don't know,
software
means no worries.
installation.
Huh?
Software is not required. Can
Yeah.
you can go
Yeah.
with Google normal. There's a no software for like Java. If there's a Python, there's a software.
Yes,
Salesforce is
exactly.
not install
Yeah.
any software.
Yes. Say no need to install any softwares. Okay, this is also one point. Good point. Any other things? Okay, fine, fine. Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone for speaking. Okay, so it's a less budget to develop any software, it's a less budget. Okay. For example, just imagine if you want to develop any software, okay, any software, okay, there are three things are required. Okay, one is front end, four things, and another is back end, and another is database to store your entire data because we don't have a single amount of data. We have multiple amount of data to store, and to deploy this information, we need a cloud. Okay, we need a cloud. For example, if you take other technologies, just imagine I'm saying about Java. So based on the project requirement, they will use React.js, Node.js, etc., etc., etc. And for backend, okay, they'll use Java. If it's a Python, they'll use Python. They will change database. Again, they need to rental the another database because they don't have their own database. They need to take rental from MySQL or Oracle. Based on the project requirement, they need to migrate it to deploy it to the cloud. Okay, everyone will able to see AWS, GCP based on the project requirement. It will be changed. But coming to the Salesforce, okay, not required all these particular things. Not required all these things. Yeah. Here, coming to the front end, we are using Salesforce LWC. Because I'll ask you one question. Okay, here everyone know HDFC Bank.
Yes.
HDFC Bank is also designed using Salesforce. For example, you are seeing all the pictures or whatever it may be, all these things. Okay, for example, if customer want to know about the company, how they will know? By using this front end, without front end. For example, if you have Amazon portal and if you have Book My Show, all these particular things, how we know? Okay, this particular Book My Show is there. How we know? By using these front end websites, we'll get to know. Okay, these are all the things are there. Okay, back end. So we have a Salesforce development. Here we are designing using Apex programming. I'm saying again to everyone, the people who don't know anything from scratch, they have an interest. Definitely they can join this course. I'll help you. Okay, it's not like advanced like that. It's entirely from beginner. Yeah, just only that today's class I'm explaining everything in detail. And we have database. Here database is nothing but a Salesforce admin. Yeah. For example, if you are integrating with external system, we can use Salesforce integration, STP and so okay, to integrate with external systems. All these particular things we are going to be cover. Okay, all these particular things we are going to be cover in the upcoming classes. And another point I told, apart from this, I'm also going to be discuss about a sales cloud, service cloud. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, apart from this,
Yes.
I'm going to be discuss about sales cloud, service cloud, and experience cloud also in our upcoming classes. Okay, this is the entire thing I'm going to be cover and the training duration. Okay, 3 months, 15 days. One more point I highlighted. So previously I mentioned that why the clients are preferring Salesforce. Okay, I'll tell you. For example, to develop any other software from any of the technology, okay, they need high budget. Okay, they need high budget, and also the time. For example, just imagine if you want to develop from using Java. Just imagine, I'm giving example. Okay, it may take some 20 lakhs. Imagine. Okay, the same product. For example, if it is taking 5 to 6 years. Example I'm giving Java, Python, .NET, etc. Okay, the same software if you want to develop. Okay, now current market using Salesforce with good quality product, definitely it will be decreased. Just I'm giving exception. Okay, 2 to 3 years it will be developed with good quality as compared to other technologies. It will be developed as a good product. Okay, because the less budget here. No need to take rental. For example, if you take other technologies, like for front end they can use other technologies, for back end they need to use and clouds database. Okay, like database they need to take the rental from other, and they need to pay for the softwares. And Eclipse IDE they need to pay for the softwares. Cloud again they need to pay for some rent. Like this the expenses will be increased. But coming to the Salesforce, okay, everything it will be handled by the Salesforce itself. Cloud, front end, back end, database. In any project, either it's a health cloud project, either it's any type of project, everything it is been handled by the Salesforce only. No need of other technology or no need of taking any other things. And another second point, no need of installation of any softwares. I'm saying again, no need of any installation of software based on the usage. Okay, whatever the usage on monthly, the client will purchase to the Salesforce. The client will purchase. No need of any rental. And that is, I mean, I want to convey that no need of any installation software. Means, for example, if one client is developing one e-commerce product, just imagine, no need to buy software using 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Initial investment is not required. Initial investment based on the monthly usage, just like a rent. Okay, rental payment to the Salesforce. This is the thing. Yeah, this is the points I explained still now. Anyone have any queries on these particular points? Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries?
No, Venkat, from my side.
Okay. Anyone? No worries. Just you can ask me anything. Okay. Ganesh, Teja, the people, some people newly joined. I did not introduce. I'll take introduction of yours also. Just I'm going with scratch. Anyone have any other queries?
Venkat, sometimes OS or any other OS, normally OS sometime will update, right? Is that required for the Salesforce or not?
No, 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 no. Everything it will be carried from the Salesforce team only. No need. For
Okay,
example, if any upgrade version happen, anything happen, everything it will be handled by the Salesforce. Nothing, no things to do from your end.
okay, means there is no downtime. Continuously we can use our applications.
Continuously you can use your application. And one more thing, for example, just imagine, okay, like every 4 months they'll get some updates. Okay, for example, if you got some updates means, for example, if November 15th they are releasing, they'll mention the timings from November 15th 11 a.m. to 11:10 a.m. So the servers are low, like that they will mention. Okay, 10 minutes
Okay,
or 20 minutes, like that, before
okay,
upgrades are.
in that particular time we need to inform our clients so that they can use after that.
Yes, exactly, yeah.
Okay.
So just we'll get some update. Okay, so 11 to 11:05,
Mhm.
like that. Just 10 minutes, not a full time, like that, or 10 minutes, or 5 to 10 minutes. That's it.
Okay.
If an upgrades, and no need to upgrade anything from your end. Everything it will be carried out from the Salesforce end.
Like as our current one, any like what do you say? No maintenance and nothing, right?
No,
Only
no, no.
okay.
Yeah, everything. That's why only every client is preferring. Yeah, because
Yeah,
the
it's
head.
better, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
headache from the
the
client is increased. Uh,
current one we have to upgrade or we need to update something and we
yeah,
have to
yeah,
wait
yes.
until sometime it might fail and they will roll back to the previous one. So many
Uh,
headaches.
So many
I
headaches.
mean,
That's why. Yeah,
okay,
most of the companies are using the Salesforce. That is the reason.
okay,
And
okay.
one more thing, okay, one more thing I want to convey here: the people from different backgrounds. Okay, so first thing, they are from freshers. Definitely, the freshers also, it's a good opportunity. I'll convey, because the
Mm,
freshers also, there is a vacancies in the Salesforce. I'm saying again to everyone. And one more point here. And second thing is, they're from non-IT, because I can understand, because on my previous, because I had an experience of 4 years on this teaching. So like past 4 years, there are so many people, they're from non-IT. Okay, non-IT means anything, they're interested to pursue your career in IT, but they don't have sufficient knowledge, like which thing they need to transition. Definitely the Salesforce is a good one. Definitely I can say non-IT to IT experience. Okay. And one more thing, like it's like some people, like they have the career gaps. Like for example, just imagine they are 2015 passed out, 16 passed out, 18 passed out, something. They're working women, or the people after their marriage, they got some career gap, I can understand. Okay, that particular people also, definitely it's a good career. And the last, like not last, before batch 49, one of the person has got the placement with 16.5 LPA, like this only. Her name is Lalita. Yeah. Okay, career gap and to transform their career. And another persons, like for example, the previous background is like software. Okay, but they are really, I can say that the package is very less. Okay, but they want to transition their career to the Salesforce, like they're from testing background, or they're from other background, I don't want to mention any background. Okay, they want to transition their career. Definitely you can keep your experience. I'll tell you how you need to keep. For example, if you mention the Salesforce in your project, in your resumes, how you need to speak in front of the interviewer. Okay, like what is the things you had been done. Definitely I'll explain it on one by one basis, don't worry. Like this, there are different types of backgrounds are there. Okay, am I audible to everyone clearly? Am I audible to
Yeah,
everyone
your
clearly?
voice is clear now.
Okay, fine. And one more thing I want to convey, like so whatever the recordings, for example, today we completed some class, immediately it will be uploaded in the drive. Okay, okay, immediately I will upload in the drive.
Venkat, meanwhile, can you share a syllabus which you are
Yes,
going to explain
I'll
end
share.
to
I'll
end?
share. I'll share. I'll
Okay.
share. I'll share. Yeah, there is some syllabus. I prepared everything. I'll share it. Okay.
Mm.
Immediately. Okay. Our team. For example, if your class is complete at 8:20 to 9:20 am. Okay. Then again, at our team will come at 9:30 or 10 in between. They'll upload it before 10:30 or 11. Okay. They will upload this particular recording to the drive. And
Okay. And is
one
there
more.
any project you're adding
Yes.
to this
Yes,
course?
yes, 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 yes. I'm explaining that particular thing also. I'm
Okay.
showing you in today's class only. I'm showing you what is a project which I'm explaining in the further classes also. Yeah.
Venkat,
Uh, yes, please.
yeah, what is this CSS in Salesforce
Yeah, I'll
mainly?
tell you. I'll tell you. Okay. In the LWC, so we have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design the styling. Okay, for any website, we'll use this. It's not like a normal HTML and CSS and JavaScript. It's somewhat differentiated for LWC. Okay, when I'm starting the LWC, I'm going to be
This is coding
picturized
or
about this.
non-coding, like
Hmm?
CSS, Java.
You're saying something? Can you please?
This is coding or non-coding, like JavaScript, CSS.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay, so here coming to the Salesforce, it's a 50 percentage of coding and 50 percentage of configuration. Okay, like whatever the coding, so it's easy one only. It's not that much of difficult. And I want to convey one more thing: the people don't face any difficulty. Like we have some AI tools. Like I'll tell you how to use AI tools to make your work easy. That is also I want to convey. Okay. Yes. One Okay, 1 minute in. Okay, immediately it will be uploaded in the drive. Okay, and one more thing I want to convey. So for example, if I teach anything, just imagine the content, like notepad files or whatever it may be, each and everything it will be shared. For example, if I teach it the coding, okay, I created everything. For example, if I teach it the content on the data security, okay, everything it will be shared to the drive. Whatever it may be, each and every point I had been noted down in that particular notepad file, and I'll share this particular information. And one more point regarding the screenshots. Like for example, in the admin configuration, just to imagine we have multiple screenshots. Okay, to see the recording again and again, it's difficult. I can understand. Okay, everything I prepared the Word file. Okay, I uploaded all the screenshot in that particular Word file. I'll share that particular Word file also. Okay, in that particular drive, I will share that Word file. This is one more point, and another point: projects. Definitely, here the people from multiple backgrounds. Either you're a fresher, either you're an experienced person, any type. Definitely, you need to keep the projects in your resumes. Is it correct or not? Bhavita, Sharad, Shiva Satish. I seen that in
Sure.
other institution they are completing the trainings, but the main thing is in the resume. What is the project you need to keep? That is the thing they are not mentioning. Okay, like because so many people had been contacted me, sir. I don't know what is a project. How to explain the project in front of the interview? But definitely, you are keeping some experience means they will ask about your project and the scenarios. But our students will not face that particular difficulty if you follow my suggestions. Definitely, I'll say. I'll show you that particular thing also. Coming to the projects, I'm designing the two applications. Everyone able to see this website?
Yes.
Okay, this is one of the application. Customer support. This is one of the application I'm going to be design, and this is the health cloud application. These are all the two websites I'm going to be design. Okay. Apart from this, I'm saying again, apart from this, I'm also been going to be discuss about educational application and also some of the other scenarios like in the real time, like insurance, e-commerce, banking. Okay, like these different types of scenarios I'm going to be covered in our upcoming classes. Don't worry, everything I'll develop. And
Venkat
yes,
bhai, I have one
yes,
doubt.
yes.
Like if it is 50% coding, so non-IT people can easily they can do coding. Will get full support, no? And will that be that difficult? And what is the scope of Salesforce? Like previously, one of the IT guy told me that we don't have that much scope in Salesforce. We are not getting jobs in Salesforce. And
And
how is it?
current,
Is
current
AWS good or Salesforce good? Yeah, bro.
current 1 minute. I'm not sure who told you on this particular thing. For example, just imagine if there particular uh, I seen some other people, they're coming to the trainings. Okay, just they're registering but they
Okay.
are not. 1 minute, I'll tell you why they told like that. I'll tell you, they're coming to the trainings. Okay, they're not practicing anything. Okay, and at the end they're applying for the jobs, and even I seen the resume is also not good. As an experienced person, okay, there is a standards for that particular resumes. Okay, if you kept that particular standards, definitely you'll get a calls. Okay, if you go, definitely you can see that. That's why only I'm saying again to everyone, this is a 3 months 15 days of course. After completion of 2 months 25 days, I'll give resumes to everyone. Okay, before completion of this course, before 20 to 25 days of this course, you can apply. You can apply for the vacancies, and then you can ask me. If you are not getting calls, then you can ask me straightforward, sir, I'm not getting calls. Definitely you'll get a calls, because I seen there are multiple people. Because on my previous batches also, they're from non-IT. Okay, they are attending daily and they're practicing. They're shifted to IT. And another thing, from BPO background, from different backgrounds, not a single background. Everyone is getting calls. I'll tell you the tips how to get the calls, how to prepare
Okay,
your
bro.
resume.
But
Yeah.
done, bro. So we can keep like 4 years like experience. We should keep 3 years experience. Background verification will happen. Everything will happen,
Yeah,
right?
you can keep up to 3 plus or 4 plus.
Yeah.
No worries. Our
Yeah.
previous
So we will
batch.
do. Yeah, will we do any real time projects, bro? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Will
real
you
time.
teach us that?
Yes, yes, these are all the real time projects only. Health, these are my previous client projects only. Health cloud projects, all these particular
Okay.
things. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
this
Done.
is one
Thank
of our client. These are one of the client projects only. Even I am working in the real
you.
time. Apart from this, apart from this, I am also been going to be okay. Apart from this, I'm also going to be introduced about like the projects. For example, if you are not interested in these particular projects, if you want to keep some more things, just imagine. Okay, I'll help you what you need to keep in your resume. And for example, if you are attending for the interviews, what you need to, okay, in front in the interview, what you need to convey. Either it's a speaking, communication skills, or anything, everything I'll convey in this particular 3 months 15 days course. Yeah. Because I seen that so many people are not lacking good communication skills. I'll make you to communicate in the classes only. If you speak in front of me, either it's a right or wrong, definitely it will be helpful for you and it will be beneficial for your interviews. Okay, after landing your job also it will be helpful for you. Not only in this step, up to landing of the job is good. After landing of the job, you need to success yourself. That will be also beneficial for you. Yeah, I'll make you to groom yourself in the sales force. This is
Venkat,
the link.
could you please share that site link?
This is the link you're saying.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'll share. Okay. Okay, these are all the two sites which had been developed. We'll share it. Okay. No worries, Ganesh. Okay, these are all the things I want to convey. And interview questions. One more thing, interview questions. The people will ask me, sir, I'm going to the interview. So they will ask different questions. Don't worry. Okay, like when I'm completing the admin, I'll share the interview questions on admin. Apart from this, so we have a 1 hour of class. After completion of 50 minutes of the class, okay, every 10 minutes I'll ask the interview questions. For example, sometimes I can ask Ganesh, sometimes I can ask Bhavita, sometimes I can ask Karan. Okay, definitely. I'll tell you this topic you need to prepare tomorrow. Accordingly, I'll ask. Module wise interview questions will be shared on each and every topic. I'm saying again to everyone. This is one point. And another point, like here you can think that okay, you're saying, sir, you're saying that there are multiple clients are using Salesforce. Definitely, I'll show you what are the clients. Okay, some of the clients. Okay, they prepared some article from the Salesforce only. Anyone know Indigo? Aviation, Indigo. Anyone know? Asian Paints, Indigo, HDFC Bank. Anyone know the HDFC Bank? I think it is somewhat familiar to everyone.
Yeah, I'm using for a long time.
Yes, HDFC Bank is also designed using Salesforce. Axis
Okay.
Bank, Axis Bank, like this. There are multiple platforms they are using Salesforce to develop their softwares. Okay, multiple software they are using to develop these particular softwares, whatever it may be. Not only HDFC Access, just I shown you because it is a common thing everyone knows. Either it's health cloud applications, e-commerce applications, banking applications, telecom applications, any applications we can design using Salesforce with less budget and with less cost. This is one more point you need to note down. Yeah. Okay. This is about some of the things. First, I'll take the queries from one by one. Okay. Anyone have any queries? And one more thing. This is the last point I want to convey. Some people from masters, like they're in the final year of masters, they want to complete this course and they want to land their jobs. Definitely, like in USA, UK, they I see very less people. They have a knowledge on this particular Salesforce, whatever it may be. Definitely, there are multiple opportunities there also. We have previous students also. They completed their masters. Some people completed their masters and they are joining this course, or like the final year of master they had been joined, or the first year of master they had been joined. Okay, definitely it will be helpful for you. Okay, I hope I had been mentioned everything. Let me try to take the queries one by one. Okay, let's go with one by one. Yeah, anyone have any queries? You can unmute your mic and you can speak. Sorry, you can mute your mics. You can speak. No worries. Harish, Vineet, Manasa. Anyone, no worries. Either it's right or
Hey,
wrong. Yes, Vinit.
Venkat, I need to talk with you. Can you please provide our number?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so here the people from different thing. Okay, like the people from different institutions. If you are from Harsha Training, or if you are collaborator with me, like if you are from Harsha Training, you can ask your team. Then they will arrange the conference to me. Okay, and there are different things. We need once please contact your team. Okay, or contact the coordinator of you. I'll arrange the conference. Okay, Vinit, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay. Definitely. Now, like any other queries on your career, anything Naidu, Mallikarjuna, Harish, Manasa, Neelima, Ganesh, Shilit, everyone.
Yes, one thing, Venkat. Actually, we
Yes.
have different clouds, right? Like Sales Cloud, Health Cloud. Which one? I mean, you will give the knowledge.
Yeah, I'll give the knowledge on Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Experience Cloud. And I'll tell you one more thing. Okay, either if you have different clouds also, just why we are using clouds means instead of creating all the things, objects, everything, if you install that particular package means each and every inbuilt configurations are being implemented in your Salesforce org. Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Experience Cloud is a major part. Okay, I'll teach that particular things.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Neelima, Manasa, Satish, Joshna, Bhavita. Any queries?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, Manaju.
Will like how many classes you'll be teaching on flows and types of flows?
Okay, yeah. Okay, like I used to teach 4 to 5 days on flows concept. Okay, with the different types of scenarios, and also I want to give some assignments also, Marathi, on flows.
Okay,
I'll cover different use cases.
will you be completing all the modules when we compare to the trailhead from Salesforce, or
Marathi,
is it a
yeah.
different approach?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Okay, the trailhead is a confusion because I seen the you can see some of the students they followed the trailhead, but the trailhead is somewhat confusing. But here I followed it like it's like a project wise I want to convey. Okay, like the trailhead is somewhat like it will show some parts, it will not show some parts. Like we need to research like this. But here everything I had prepared an appropriate modules more than trailhead. I covered each and everything with a curriculum wise to Manadip. Okay,
Okay.
no need to, I'm saying again, don't follow any trailhead, follow my course whatever it may be one by one, it will be fine. Okay, it will be 100% fine. Okay, because I prepared accordingly just by taking from the project, because I teaching from multiple years onwards with multiple batches. I know how to prepare, how to make understood, how to useful in your projects, each and everything. Okay, it will be fine, Manadi, whatever I'm teaching. Don't follow simultaneously, it will be confusion. Follow the things whatever I had been teaching, it will be helpful. Yes, any other queries to anyone? Teja, Shilit, Ganesh, Manidip, is your query resolved?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, any other queries to anyone? Any other queries to anyone?
Sir,
Hi Naidu. Yes.
is there any placement opportunity assistance by you or not?
Yeah, I'll tell you this particular thing also. Okay, and one more thing I want to convey, like for example after completion of your thing, okay, if you kept that particular resume in the Naukri, definitely you'll get a calls. Apart from this, I want to convey this particular point also. I created one group for job openings, Salesforce job openings, entirely for my students who completed my training. Like before, after completion of the development plus integration training, I'll place all your WhatsApp numbers, whatever it may be, in that particular group. Okay, like in that particular group, to because to share individually is very difficult because so many students had been completed my training long ago. Okay, I'll share all that particular vacancies in that particular group. And one more point, for example, just imagine I'll get regular HR numbers. Okay, like I'll share that particular HR numbers in that particular group. Then you can call them directly and you can book whatever it may be. You can share your resume and you can do it. Okay, like this it should be. No, I do. And one more thing, for example, if
Okay.
any, recently I got Skylabs. Skylab needs a fresher. Okay, I want to ask my previous student their resumes. Previously, I got one more company also. If the HR has been speaking with me, Okay, just I'll share the people resumes. I'll mention in the group. Like, okay, so this is the Skylab's opportunity. If anyone want to share, you can share your resume. Then I can directly share to that particular team. Okay, I'll not say 100% placement, but whatever from my side possibility, I'll do it. No, I do. I'll not say 100% placement. If the people not doing anything, not studying anything, nothing, it's not possible. Okay, now I do. Is a query resolved?
Oh, okay, sir.
From my side, possibility,
I
I'll do
have
it. Yeah, this
completed.
is
Yes, sir.
yeah.
I have completed non full stack. Basically, in
Yes.
non full stack, there is no openings for freshers. They want to only hire experienced candidates. Now
Yeah, and
in
Naidu.
say yes, sir.
Mm, good point. I want to tell
Now
you.
in
Okay,
Salesforce,
like
there is any openings for freshers or
yeah.
experience.
So in Salesforce, like in other technology, you can see there is no openings in freshers nowadays. But coming to the Salesforce as compared to other technology, for example, just imagine. I'll give you some pinpoint on this. For the experienced person, if 10 vacancies, okay, 10 vacancies are released per week. Just imagine. Okay, for freshers, at least 2 to 3 vacancies will be released in Naidu. Definitely, even I'm seeing. I'll show you on proof also. Is my screen is
Oh,
visible?
okay. Yes,
For experience, definitely there are so many jobs. Just for freshers, I'm sure. Are you able to see?
yes, sir.
Apart from this, like regular, no, I'll not say 100% there is a jobs for freshers. There are some jobs for freshers also in the Salesforce background. And some more thing, for example, if you got some MNC companies like this, what they will do is they will hire you as a normal fresher, and after that, if you told that, okay, I know Salesforce, because you are completing this training as an experience level. Okay, for fresher, it's a high knowledge, high standards of knowledge. If you told that, definitely they can give you a Salesforce project now. Definitely, this is damn sure. Hari
Okay.
Prasad from our previous batch in the Accenture, he landed with 4.5 LPA. Initially, he landed as a fresher, but he told that I know Salesforce. Definitely, they given the Salesforce project. Yeah, in the interview, he mentioned I know Salesforce. He landed to the Salesforce. Yes. For freshers, also there is a opportunities. Don't worry. And for experience, lot. Yeah. Yes. Any queries to anyone? Any queries to anyone? Okay, team. Thank you. This is about today's class. And tomorrow also the same timings, 8:20 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. Everyone. So same link you can join tomorrow also, and you can resolve your queries. Okay. And the people who are interested, you can contact and you can register for the trainings. Yeah. Just today I given some introduction about what is Salesforce and what are the success stories, and I clarified your queries mostly. And tomorrow I'll go one more step on the introduction of syllabus, everything. Yeah. Any other queries to anyone? Open your mic, don't worry, you can speak it. I'm a friendly trainer, don't worry, you can speak it, don't worry. I'm saying again to everyone.
Yeah, hi Venkat.
Hi, Shilit.
Yeah, could you just brief about you and your profile, your overall knowledge about Salesforce and all?
Yeah, okay, Shilit. Like myself, I'm Venkat. I had more than 7+ years of experience in the Salesforce background. So, like I presently I'm working with a crossover. Like I deal with multiple clients like banking, e-commerce, insurance, telecom, like these different types of clients. I deal with corporate trainings as well as institutional wide trainings from the past 4+ years of training. 4+years. Okay, this is about myself. Banking, e-commerce. Initially, I deal with banking project. Later on, e-commerce, telecom. Again, banking project, insurance project, and health cloud projects and real estate networking with different types of clients. Shilit, yeah,
Okay,
Finland,
okay,
USA, UK, Australia, uh, and also I deal with Netherlands client also like this different types of clients. Yeah,
okay, great. Just for my understanding, now you said it's been like 7 years that you are working
yeah,
with
yeah.
Salesforce.
Yes.
Now, how much time did it take for you to grow from, say, step one to step two, or step
Uh,
two to step three?
Shilit, like this is the thing. I'll not say much more time, okay? Because if you performed well, whatever it may be, the things you assign the task or whatever it may be, definitely can. Like you can see that one of our previous person, like I don't want to convey her name. Okay, like she placed in good company only. She completed all the course, whatever it may be.
Mhm.
They given the level 9 position. Okay, in one of the company. Okay, why they given level 9? Level 9 is up to the team leader. Okay, why they given that particular record? Because she practiced everything, whatever we completed in the classes. Even if the person real time experienced person also, they don't been touching everything in the real time. Only they are touching some specific points. But in the classes, whatever they followed, everything from end to end, from beginner to advanced level, they're touching every concept, every scenario. Okay, definitely you have a more knowledge if you practice as compared to that particular thing. Okay, Shilip?
Okay, so if I understood, like I'm just trying to reiterate what you said, just to
Yeah.
understand if I got it correct. So you
Okay.
just said there was a lady from your previous batch who did not
Yeah.
have Salesforce experience at all.
Yes.
After the successful completion of training, she directly landed.
She applied for the job. Okay, one
Uh-huh.
thing, she applied their resume in the Naukri, and she applied for multiple companies, and after
Okay,
that they tested their skills in the interview. Okay, she
okay,
performed in a better skills, they
okay.
given this opportunity. Okay,
And she directly got a position as a tech lead.
level 9, level 9. Okay, level 9 is compared to tech lead. Okay,
Tech lead,
they
right?
get,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, level
Got it.
9. Yeah. Yes.
Got it. Got it.
I'll not say that she did not directly she given. There is some process. Interview one, interview two, interview three. Like technical interviews are there. They shortlisted themselves. If they are giving that particular position, means she is a person with skilled person. Yeah, and some person will land as a senior developer. I'll not say everyone with the same. Some person will land as senior developers like this. There are
Okay.
different concepts. Yeah.
Okay.
Entirely based on the knowledge and based on the practice, based on the hard work, whatever you achieved. And the things, whatever I told, follow it every day. That's it. I'll not say from start onwards you need to do it, even if you have knowledge. Nothing not like that. Okay. It will transition your career, anything. Yeah.
Yeah,
Practice.
and
Practice
the,
matters lots.
these days certification is a mandate, right?
Yeah.
So
At
to get
least,
a decent job,
yes, please. Okay.
like what certification is needed after completion of this particular course?
At least a PD1 certification is fine, Shilip. Okay. I'll guide you
At least
that
PD1 you
particular
need to
process
have.
also. Yeah, I'll guide you that particular process also. Okay,
Okay, okay,
because the people who know PD1, they will think that they will know admin knowledge also. Okay, that's what I'm saying. If you want to write, you
understood.
can write it. Yeah, I'll guide you. No worries. I'll guide you how to.
Okay,
It's easy one only. Concept is very important. Yeah, that is the thing.
understood.
Okay.
So a person from a non-IT background, how
Okay.
difficult or how easy is for him or her to write code?
Shilit, one thing I want to convey. For example, just imagine if you are practicing daily. Because if you take other technologies, there is 100% coding. The coding is somewhat difficult. But here the coding standards are easy. And one more point, for example, if they practiced each and everything, whatever I told, the concept is easy because no person is writing their code from scratch nowadays because we have AI tools. Okay, like if you
Correct.
know the implementation, how to do that particular process, it's easy. Okay,
Got
just
it.
that they want to know the implementation, the concept, that is the thing. Either it's a non-IT, IT background, also the same process, because everything I'm going to be start from the very beginner level onwards. Yeah.
Understood.
Yes.
That's all from my side, Venkat. Thank you so much for clarifying.
Thank you, Shili. Thank you for your queries. Thank you. Any people, any queries to anyone?
Yeah, I have a question. Like, how much experience do we need to go to business analyst role or apply to business analyst role?
You are saying about Salesforce business analyst.
Yeah, Salesforce business analyst. Yeah.
Coming to the Salesforce business analyst, what the main thing in the Salesforce business analyst, I'll tell you. Okay, for example, if you got a requirement from the client, okay, just imagine, uh, they need to take the requirement from the client. Accordingly, they need to write some user stories, and they need to understand the requirement, like, and they need to write the user stories. Okay, if you can give 4 plus, because I seen the business analyst don't have that much of knowledge. If the person who have a knowledge on the entire Salesforce, it's a cup of tea. You can keep
Yeah.
5 plus also, Manidev. Okay. Yes. Because you need to take the requirement from the client, you need to write the user stories. whatever the requirement, just you can use it. Even I can write the user stories, okay, because sometimes I can write the user stories. Just you can take the requirement from the clients, whatever the requirement, whatever the thought you understood, just mention in the AI tool. Just you'll get all the requirement with the acceptance criteria. And if you want to add some more points, based on the things whatever you learn, just LWC component, whatever it means, just you can add it. Then immediately developer can develop. So now we are, some of the companies are using Jira, and some of the companies are using other tools. It's easy one only Mandeep. Yeah.
Okay,
If you know,
what
and
about
then we Salesforce.
Salesforce CPQ? What is it and what kind of technology is it?
Salesforce CPQ is a separate thing. It's like for billing, okay, for billing and pricing. But I'll cover some of the topics of that particular thing also in our Salesforce. Okay.
Are there any openings for Salesforce CPQ or?
Very less openings, Mandeep. Okay, the people who know Salesforce, they're expecting development also. And I think the people not joined, he's from different background. That's why, you remembered in the first class, he mentioned Salesforce Commerce Cloud. He's a transition his career to Salesforce developer. One person mentioned. You remember the name? I think Shiva Satish. I think Shiva Satish is not there. Okay, like there are very less openings, Manadip. The people who know CPQ also, they are thinking to make us a developer. Okay,
Got it.
developer knowledge also. That is the thing. Marketing cloud, there are very less openings. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Anyone have any other queries? But I'll cover the topics. Some of the topics uh, the related to the CPQ, order, pricing, quote life cycle, all these particular things I'll cover in the sales cloud. Yeah. I did not mention CPQ, but I'll cover the topics. Yeah. What are the topics are being helpful for developer? Okay, knowledge, I'll cover that particular thing all. That's why it is a 3 months 15 days course. Yeah, a long. Yes. Anyone have any other queries? Anyone have any other queries? Yeah.
Venkat bhai, like in AWS, we need to learn 9x and DevOps as well, right? In this only we need to learn Salesforce, and this
No
course
need.
is of three
Yeah.
months, 15 days. That's it,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah. And I think this point you note down in my previous also. Like in AWS, you need to learn DevOps, Jenkins, Linux. And for example, if the project you modified, you changed it. Okay, if they're using GCP and if they're using Azure, you need to learn all that particular things also. But in Salesforce, whatever we teach in these 3 months, 15 days, it's absolutely fine. That's only the people are working easily. I can say no need to learn any other. Okay, and this is the point you need to note down. I think I told you previously also. Again, I'm mentioning.
Yeah. So, like we have job, as you said that we have good openings in Salesforce compared to AWS. Also, if you compare to with AWS, like Amazon is number one in the cloud market right
Don't
now,
think
right?
Amazon. 1 minute, Karan. Amazon has a different practices. Okay, Amazon is nothing but just only it's a cloud server. Just only it will deploy. It will not develop as like a front end. There is no database and front end, back end. Not like this. Amazon has only cloud. Just only one thing. But coming to the Salesforce, we have multiple things. We can develop the front end without using anything. We can use the cloud services and we can use a back end. Okay, there are different things are there, Karan. Okay, don't compare. Yeah.
Okay, bro. Done. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Karan. Any other things to anyone? Any other things to anyone?
So daily we will have class from 8:20 to 9:20, 1 hour.
Yeah, morning 8:20 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. every day the regular class, Karan. Okay. Okay, just
Okay.
this is the first day,
So
just an introduction.
how many days we will have this from 8:20 to 9:20?
Monday to Friday, Karan. Sometimes if the syllabus is not been on completed, then I'll conduct the class on Saturday. If mostly I'll not conduct the class on Saturday, I'll give the assignments like that. I'll give you. Okay, if there is a class on Saturday, I'll inform on Friday and Thursday also. Okay. I'll
Okay.
inform. There
What?
is a separate WhatsApp groups. Okay, for each and everyone. There is a WhatsApp groups and every updates, whatever it may be, you can share it any queries in that particular WhatsApp group. Everything it should be. Okay, I'm stopping the recording. Okay, team, thank you. Thank you everyone for joining the today's class.